Do you feel stuck, wondering how you'll ever get ahead? Here's the truth. The only thing holding you back is the story you tell yourself. It's not about money, degrees, or hidden talents. The voice in your head saying, "I can't," is your biggest obstacle. Today, we silence that voice with action. Every successful person you see online started from zero. No followers, no experience, just the belief they could learn. You have that same power. If you have a smartphone and internet, you have everything you need to start. Fear of failure? It's just a lesson, not a life sentence. No time? We all have 24 hours. It's about how you use them. You can scroll for hours or you can build something for yourself. Being broke and inactive online is a choice, not destiny. Make a different choice, right now. No more excuses. No more waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. You have the tools and you have the determination. That's your starting capital, more valuable than money. Are you ready? Let's take the first step and build a new reality. Your journey starts today. Your first step to earning online. Freelancing. It's simple. Offer a service online for money. You don't need to be an expert, just willing to help. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you to people needing simple tasks. Create a profile. Offer a service you can learn fast. Remove photo backgrounds, rewrite articles, record voiceovers. These require no degree, just effort. Start small, price low, and focus on getting your first review. That first review builds trust and opens doors. Learn skills for free on YouTube. Search for beginner guides and follow along. Virtual assistants, for example, organize files or manage emails, skills you can learn in an afternoon. The information is out there waiting for you. Take action, offer value, and start earning. Your freelancing journey begins with one simple gig. Not into freelancing? Try reselling. Buy low, sell high, even with zero investment. Use Facebook Marketplace, OLX, or WhatsApp status to connect buyers and sellers. Visit a local market, take photos of interesting items, and post them online at a markup. Don't buy anything until someone orders, then purchase and deliver. You're the connector, earning the difference. Start with things you already own: books, clothes, electronics. Sell unused items to build your first bit of capital. Once you've sold a few, look for deals to flip for profit. It's simple, repeatable, and anyone can do it. Your effort is your investment. We've covered freelancing and reselling and the free tools you can use. But knowledge is useless without action. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now, even if it's imperfect. Growth comes from doing, not just planning. Pick one thing. Set up a Fiverr gig or list an item for sale. The goal isn't instant riches. It's breaking the cycle of inaction. Your future self depends on what you do today. Will you stay stuck, or will you have a year of progress behind you? Close this video, open a new tab, and start. Don't wait, don't hesitate. Your future starts with one small, courageous step, right now.